Good day everyone. So I'm going to show you on how to configure a client and server through virtual machine. So we have these two, the Windows 12 server and the Windows 10. The Windows 12 server is the server and this is the client, the Windows 10. So let's start. But first, you have to go here. You have to change their names. Wait. You have to change their properties. Let's change their name. Change. So we'll name this server and this will be IT. Okay, so just wait this one. Sometimes it will take a while, but yes. So after that, let's click OK, OK, then close. Then let's press restart now. Same here. The client. Properties. And then let's go to advanced settings. Then computer name, change. Let's change this into client. And change also the work group to IT. We'll just wait for this to change because we will restart this application. Click OK, then close, then restart. You have to log in back. Okay, we're back in. Just wait for the other one. So first, let's do this one first. We'll put an IP address, or we can change the IP address. So it's through here, and then go to change adapter settings, to properties, and then this one. So our IP address should be same. So I'll put, say, let's configure first the IP address. CMD, then IP config. So we have 192.168.1.14 as the IP address, and the subnet mask as the 255.255, and then the default gateway is 192.168.1.1. Then so I'll put as 192.68.1.14, and then the default gateway will be 192.168.1.1. So here in the DNS, we'll same as here. Let's put the 192.168. This is the default gateway as well. 1.1. Then OK. Okay, as this is already fixed, because we have to make sure that this one doesn't have an IP address. So let's check the Ethernet. Okay, the properties. So there is no IP address here, so that we can connect it. So let's go to next. Let's add roles and features. Next, next, next. So you have to add features as the directory domain, and then the HCP server, the DNS. Also here in the file storage, we'll upload this one, the file resource server manager, and sorry, I'm sorry about that. Then the print document. There you go. Okay, I guess this is just all. Next, then here, wait, yeah, and then here in this part we will add the Windows Server backup. Next, 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 and then install. And we can close this as well, because we can see it from here. We'll just have to wait it to finish the installation. And we have to make sure the firewalls are turned on before we move on to, while it's still installing, you have to make sure the firewall is on. Firewall status, this one is on. Let's check the other one as well. Everything should be on the firewall. It should not be disabled. If it's disabled, you should turn it on. Let's move it here. Okay, the server is done. So first we have to press this domain controller. Our domain will be it.edu. New Forest, then it.edu. The next, we'll just wait. Okay, this was done. So let's put the password for this one. So we put password in case like we have to delete this. This will require a password. The next domain. Okay. Just wait. Next. This will take a while. So yeah, that's done. Then install. So it's done. Close. So we will just wait for this to restart. So it's restarting on its own. No, let's sign in again. So we're back here again. So now let's continue what's left. So let's wait for this to load. So we have to continue this one. Then commit. Then close. So after that we have to add the tools. Let's put some add users. And click user. So here, let's right click new as a new user. So first let's make the candidate and also candidate. Then next, then set the password to never expires, then create the password. So that's finished. And then let's move to administrator. We just have to copy this one and set this to trainer. Set the password to never expires also, and then another password. So that's finished. So first you have to look up to the candidate. So there's only one domain user for members, and then since the trainer is like for like the admin, as we can see, have the member off. It says main directory. Okay. So now we will restart this one. Sign out. Then let's log into another account. Say trainer. And then, oh my bad. So we're in as new device as a new trainer. So after that, let's move on to DNS. Yeah, there's DNS. Then let's move it to reverse lookups. The new zone. Next. IPv4. Yes. Network ID. So we'll put the network ID. Like we will not include the ID here. only 192.168, then 1. Okay, next. Yeah, next. Finish. As you can see here, right click to new pointer. Yes. So we have the server will be 1014. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Then we have to browse server, then not edu, then let's find the server, the static one. Okay, so okay, that's done. Then let's move to DHCP. So kani siyang luha. If ever like magawa siya red or yellow, or red lang di ay, means wala siya na-connect. So all you have to do is like unauthorize this one, action, then unauthorize. Okay, and then kung wala gyapon, just click refresh. So let's move on. Then you have to pick this and new scope. So name, my scope, any name will do. Press it there. Start IP address nato is kung say next since 14 ko itong ako amo so 9.168.1.15 and then IP address niya is 168 then 100. Okay, leave that blank. Okay, so kani siya ibutan nato diri ang gateway 192.168.1.1. So kani siya since nakabutan na siya dan, pwede na to siya ni pamagi to resolve this. So let's remove daw ni siya, and then server that resolve magawas ni siya, and then just wait for a few minutes or seconds, then add na siya. Also here say server resolve lang, then add, then next, then finish. Ano na siya to? She says server scope. Wait. So addressable, this is from 1.15 to 100. Yes. Then wala pa kanisha din na port, which is kanisha. Bukas na siya dari. And then you just have to this one. So disable na siya. Pag once ma-disable siya, disable. Then when you enable, auto-connect siya. Dili So yes, ni-connect siya diretso. Yes. That's good. So after that, let's go to the command prompt. ipconfig. So ang first number niya is 16. That's good enough. Kaya 100 siya. So all I have to do is refresh lang. Yes, nagawa siya. Makita ninyo, din niya siya na server. Now, atong i-try there is, i-ping na to ni siya. Then, ping the server. I-ping na tong server. 1.15 negative D. As you can see, reply siya. And then also you have to do this here. You try not to ping. So let's see. Ping 192.168.1.16. Request timeout siya. Kanaw na kayo. Request timed out. So what you have to do is kani. So you have to do is this one. Oh, sorry. My bad. On me. So let's go to the firewall. Check firewall task status to advanced settings. Sorry guys. Then click inbound rules to new rule. And then custom. Yeah. Then click. Yes. So custom. First, let's change this to ICMP v4. Okay. Then next. Ang name ate allow ping. Kanisha unsa yung name. So I put allow ping for me. So na finish. Now Since umana siya, let's check it again. Say CMD, then ping the client. Sorry, my bad. 192.168.1.16 negative. Sorry, D. So now naka-receive na ta. Also here, let's try the CMD as well, the command prompt. Yeah. Ping 192.168.1.14. So as you can see, nag-ping na siya. Okay. For proceed, try natin ni siya. Okay guys, since nagana na siya, ni-ping na siya. Also need to do this one as well. Let's say ns lookup. Okay, see, wala. Okay, and also here ns lookup. See. So I guess this is all, and thank you for watching.